One day, there was a girl named Ada. Everyone in her family believed she didn't know how to cook. They laughed when she entered the kitchen. They always said, "Ada, just stay away. Cooking is not for you." But Ada, she had a secret. She loved watching food videos. She loved the way the knife moved, the way the ingredients came together, the way the food sizzled in the pan. She never told anyone, but she had been practicing in secret. One evening, when no one was home, Ada decided it was time. She was going to prove them wrong. She rolled up her sleeves, took a deep breath, and walked into the kitchen. She was going to make broccoli and baby corn stir-fry. First, she cleaned everything, because a good cook must always be clean. She washed the vegetables carefully, making sure the broccoli and baby corn were fresh and ready. Then, she took out the meat. She had watched so many videos on how to cut it properly. Slowly, she picked up the knife. Slice, slice. The meat was perfect. She smiled to herself. Maybe they were wrong about her. Now it was time to cook. She heated the pan. The oil sizzled. The sound filled the kitchen. She added the meat first, just like she had seen in the videos. The smell? Oh, it was amazing. Then she added the broccoli and baby corn. The colors were beautiful, green and yellow, mixing with the rich sauce. She stirred everything gently, just like the professional chefs did. At that moment, she heard the front door open. Her mother and sisters were home. They walked into the kitchen and stopped. Their eyes widened. "Ada, what is that smell?" Ada didn't say a word. She just plated the food, placed it on the table, and looked at them. Her mother took the first bite. Then her sisters. Silence. Then her mother smiled. "Ada, this is delicious." Her sisters couldn't believe it. "Wait, you made this?" Ada nodded. "Yes, it's broccoli and baby corn stir-fry." That day, everything changed. No one ever told Ada to stay out of the kitchen again, because now they knew the truth. Ada could cook, and she could cook very well. So, if you ever think someone can't cook, just wait until the end of the video, because just like Ada, they might surprise you. And today, we are making broccoli and baby corn stir-fry.